Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use YesStyle points. YesStyle points are a fantastic way to save money on your favorite K-beauty and fashion items. They are a loyalty currency that you earn through various activities on the platform. Essentially, 100 YesStyle points are worth $1, making them a valuable asset for savvy shoppers. Accumulating YesStyle points is quite straightforward. You primarily earn them by making purchases, with every dollar spent contributing to your point balance. Beyond shopping, you can also earn points by writing insightful product reviews, which helps other customers. Keep an eye out for special promotions and consider referring friends to boost your point total even further. Making your buttons visually appealing is crucial for user engagement. CAD provides extensive styling options. You can customize the background and text colors, choose from hundreds of fonts, and modify border styles. Experiment with different shapes, like rounded or square, and adjust the size to fit your design. Adding an icon, perhaps a small arrow or an envelope, can further clarify the button's purpose and make it more inviting. To truly maximize the value of your YesStyle points, always keep an eye on your point balance and any upcoming expiration dates. Strategically combine your points with ongoing sales and special promotions to achieve the biggest discounts. Engaging with the YesStyle community can also reveal new ways to earn. Planning larger orders allows you to use a substantial amount of points effectively.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.